Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. Welcome back to Gina Amon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I will share with you how to make this amazing bread. This bread is not just beautiful, it's soft and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in warm milk, sugar, egg. Please make sure your milk is warm. I then added in dry active yeast and then I'll stir this together to well combine. You can use the fresh yeast as well. So stir to well combined and add in the flour. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So the flour, I used 3 cups. I added in 2.5 first and then mixed to almost well combined or to almost together, and then I added in the rest of the flour. I'll knead it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll transfer it on my work surface and then I'll knead it for another 5 minutes again, not forgetting my salt. I almost forgot the salt. So please make sure you add in salt as well. So once everything has come together, knead it for about 5 minutes, transfer it on your work surface and then add in butter. If you feel comfortable by kneading it in the bowl, that is nice, or it's okay as well. So I then transfer it on my work surface. I added in softened butter. Make sure your butter is in room temperature. If not, put it in the microwave for about 10 seconds and then add it to the dough. So the butter as well, I divided it into 2, added in half, mix or knead to well combine before adding in the rest and then knead again. You want a stretchy dough, you want a soft bread. So please make sure you follow this process, and then at the end you're going to get a great result. So this is what you're looking for. The dough shouldn't be sticky, it should be in between. I then placed it in my bowl, covered it with a cling film, and then I'll let this rest for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. So this is what you're looking for. I'll take off the cling film, deflate the dough, and then transfer it on my work surface. So I'll roll it long in the sausage shape like this, and then I'll divide it into 5 equal parts. It should be 190 grams, around 90 grams to 100 grams each. Bring one and roll it in the ball shape. Keep it aside. The rest, please make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. So sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. Transfer one of the dough on top. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on top as well, and then before rolling it, I make sure to use my fingertips to flatten it a little bit before going in with the rolling pin. So sprinkle flour on top if necessary, and then roll it thin. It should be, try your best to roll it in the square shape, because at the end we're going to divide it into 2 equal parts. So that's what you're looking for. It should be something more or less like this, and then the thickness should be around 2 to 3 millimeters. When done, divide it into 2 equal parts and then use a pizza cutter to cut long stripes as demonstrated in the video. So this is very easy. All you have to do is roll it. When done rolling, roll it again towards you by folding it as demonstrated in the video. This is very easy to make, and I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try, because at the end the bread turned out so soft and it turned out delicious. It should be like this. This is beautiful, not just beautiful. So before putting it in the oven, make sure you brush on top with an egg wash, and then bake this bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And guys, this is it. It's simple, it's beautiful, it's soft, and it turned out delicious as well. So just imagine having salami or prosciutto cotto, prosciutto crudo, eating it with it. Trust me, it's so delicious. So when done baking, brush on top with melted butter, and basically that's it, guys. This is beautiful. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this amazing recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you all and stay blessed. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Please try your best to subscribe to my channel. I need subscribers, guys. I seriously need subscribers. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. See you. Bye bye.